Installing QGIS and setting up PyQGIS environment. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will guide you through installing QGIS and setting up the PyQGIS environment for scripting and automation. PyQGIS allows users to interact with the QGIS functionalities using Python, enabling the automation of geospatial workflows and the development of custom tools. By the end of this tutorial, you will install QGIS on your computer, verify Python integration in QGIS, and set up an external Python environment for PyQGIS scripting. Step 1. Download and install QGIS. Choosing the right QGIS version. QGIS offers two main versions: long-term release, LTR, which is recommended for stability and production use. Latest release contains the newest features, but may have minor bugs. For this course, you recommend installing the LTR version for better stability. For downloading QGIS, visit the official QGIS website, which is qgis.org. We click on download. For offline installations, long-term version for Windows 3.34 LTR for now. Latest version for Windows 3.40. We recommend this one. Click on it to download. We choose download unverified file. Download started. QGIS downloaded. Installing QGIS on Windows. Run the QGIS, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Double-click on it. Next, accept the terms in the license agreement. Next, then next. Now it's installed. We click on Finish. Now we open QGIS to verify the installation. GIS version 8.4, OSGeo4W shell, QGIS desktop 3.34, QT designer with the QGIS, Saga GIS 9.7 installed. Right click, pin to taskbar. Step 2, verifying Python integration in QGIS. Go to Plugins, click on Python console, or Ctrl-Alt-P. Then run the following command. Now we see the version number of QGIS, which is 3.34. It means Python is correctly installed. Step 3, setting up an external Python environment for PyQGIS. While the built-in Python console in QGIS is useful, using an external IDE can improve efficiency. Recommended Python IDEs: PyCharm. It's great for full-fledged development. VS Code, lightweight and customizable, while Spider, ideal for scientific scripting. Now, setting up PyQGIS in an external environment. Now open Anaconda prompt or command prompt and create a new environment. Anaconda, create, name, PyQGIS, for example. Then the version, Python equal 3.9. As of now, the latest QGIS release is 3.40, and the long-term release, LTR, is 3.34. Both versions are compatible with the Python 3.9. Therefore, setting up your environment with Python 3.9 is appropriate for both versions. Following new packages will be installed: pip version 25, Python 3.9.21, we choose Y. Now the environment is created. To activate it, we use the command conda activate PyQGIS. As we installed standalone QGIS software, we can also install it inside our environment. Firstly, activate our environment. Then using the command conda install C channel conda fork QGIS equal 3.34. Following new packages will be installed. We choose Y, yes, for proceed. QGIS is installed. Let's testing it by running the command Python import qgis.core print qgis.core.qgis QGIS underscore version. It means the app correctly installed and it's version 3.34. Now let's run the first QGIS script. Python C import qgis.core print hello PyQGIS. The output is hello QGIS. Inside the QGIS standalone software, we can also run it. Going to plugins, Python console. print hello PyQGIS. The output is hello PyQGIS. Means your setup is successful. In conclusion, you have successfully installed QGIS and set up your PyQGIS environment. Stay tuned and happy coding.